Hey guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating my Python program. This program is a data retrieval program and it is supposed to access a Microsoft Access database, and based on the department will display a list of publications for the selected department. First off, I'm going to explain my code real quick and show what everything does. We start at the top here. This first while loop is just asking the user if they want to connect to the database with a simple yes or no. If they don't connect to it, it will close the program altogether, and if they enter in anything else besides y or n, it will keep prompting them for an input. After you get through that, after inputting y, you will get to getting the list of departments from the department table. Doing this, or within this loop, the user will be shown a list of departments, and they will be able to select which ones they want to see the publications from. Once I run through the program, you will see that. It's got standard error handling in there. And then after that, this query here will take in the user input. Say it's like 1. Say they enter 1. 1's going to be, in this case, finance. It's going to put finance into the selected department variable, and to make it easier on myself, I made this query that converts that back into the department ID. So then in the publications query, I can just use the department ID as seen here in faculty, instead of having to use the actual name, which would be finance. In this publications query, this query will get the list of publications pertaining to whatever department ID has been put in there. And after that, it will execute the query here, putting in the department ID that it's gotten from the previous query, and it will print the list of publications out one by one. And then after all that, the program will ask the user if they want to rerun it again with a simple yes or no. No, it'll close, and Y, it will bring them all the way back up to here where they select the department. So now I'm going to run through the program. It's going to be down here in the console. Shows up, connect the database, yes or no. We're going to put in no real quick, demonstrate that it closes and it stops. I'm going to run it again. I'm going to put in something besides yes or no. G, doesn't work. Number, doesn't work. We're going to go with yes, obviously, here. Then we are given a list of departments, 1 through 5. In this case, I've got finance, accounting, management, business information systems, and entrepreneurship. We're going to throw in a number that is not in there, so we'll just go with 6. It's going to prompt me again, obviously, because 6 is not there. I'll throw in a letter, H, same thing. We'll go with 2, accounting. Now accounting comes up with 2 right here. It's the title, bam, bam, 2 things. And then once again, like I said, it's going to ask if they want to rerun the program. Say yes. It's going to ask which department you want. We're going to choose a different one. Let's go with information systems. We've got 3 different here. If we take a look at compared to the previous 2, they are completely different titles. And once again, it's asking us to rerun the program. And this time we'll say no, say program closing, and it'll be done. I just want to compare some responses and make sure that it is clear that the program is outputting the correct information. We hit 1, finance. We are given these list of titles right here. Now if I bring in the database here, I've got the exact same query in here with the faculty department ID equal to 1. I'm going to run that, and theoretically we should have the same tables. And 283, 709, 346, 482, 763-409-392. Perfect, all exactly the same. Now, let's go back into here, and let's do one more just for the sake of it. We'll do in 2. We know that's supposed to give 2 because we did that up here with accounting, selected accounting. We know 2 is accounting. If we open up the department to accounting, we run the query, only comes up with 2, 49989. That is the basic use of this program and explanation on how everything works and runs. It's got error handling for everything as you saw before. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.